Bonjour! Today we'll talk about nouns. Now, it's just going to be a quick intro to the nouns, and you'll see that what's common with French nouns can also be common for English nouns. Our one exception is the gender, and we'll get to that. Okay, so nouns in English and in French can be common or proper. So you can say common, a common noun, an actor, right? But a proper noun, those are going to be usually capitalized, like, Dwayne Johnson, okay? Actor, proper noun. And they can also be singular or plural. That's common in English. We can have une orange, an orange, or we can have deux oranges, two oranges. Now, to make things plural in French, generally we will add an S to the word. If it ends in EAU, then we'll add an X, and you'll those letters are easy to remember together for beautiful, B-E-A, beautiful, E-A-U. We'll add an X. But if a word ends in an A-L, like the word animal, we're going to change the A-L to an A-U-X. Okay? A lot of times we'll just add that S. That's it's really not too tricky. Another thing that maybe is a little trickier, but still it does exist in English, we just don't tend to think about it too much, is that nouns can be countable nouns or mass nouns and refer to the whole thing. So something that's easily countable, an orange. You can have one orange, two oranges, three oranges. But mass would be something like soup. You're not going to ask generally for 3 soups. You would say something like some soup. Okay? So that's our mass noun. It's not really countable. And we'll get into that more later. Again, this is just a quick overview. Our next facet of nouns here, and this is the one that's not really that common in English. We do have actor and actress, waiter, waitress. We do have some of those words, but not nearly as much as the French do. They have masculine and feminine, and you'll see this. If I say S, that's usually for singulier, singular. PL, pluriel, plural. M for masculin, F for féminin. Okay, masculine, feminine. So we would have un fruit, and we would have une pomme. Un, masculine, a fruit, but an apple, une pomme, would be feminine. And so it's important to kind of understand that you need to know if nouns are singular or plural, what gender they are, common, proper, just to be able to use them. Exactly like how you had to learn this in elementary school for English. We're still doing the same thing again in French. So if you can draw on some of that knowledge of English, that's going to help you for a French class.